Hello, I'm Mama D, and it is my passion and mission to help reduce stress in your home. Today we're going to be talking about laundry. Here are my 5 tips to help make this chore less stressful. Okay, ladies, tip number 1, prep your laundry the night before. Throw a load into the washer, put in your detergent and your softener. So when you wake up in the morning, all you have to do is press that start button. This will give you a huge boost of accomplishment first thing in the morning. And if you're a working girl, try to throw a load into the dryer before you head out the door. If that sounds too stressful or time doesn't allow, then just have it all ready for when you get home. I like to say that 1 load a day keeps the laundry monster away. I'd rather do 1 small load each day than 6 mega loads on the weekend. And if you're a working mom, you know how precious the weekends are. You don't want to be buried under a pile of laundry. You want to spend time with your family. But if 1 load a day sounds stressful or overwhelming, just try it. You might find that it greatly reduces your stress like it did for me. All right, ladies, tip number 2. Don't be a hero. The chances of us remembering to check the laundry are pretty slim. So set those timers. You see, us ladies like to pretend that we are Wonder Woman. Yeah, but all we're going to accomplish by playing make-believe is to wonder how we let the laundry sit in the washer all day long. Yeah, us ladies like to take a lot of pride in being able to multitask, but according to studies, multitasking doesn't exist. Whoa. Say what? Yeah, we are actually just switching our attention from task to task very quickly, not really focusing on any one thing like we should be. So ladies, let's set aside the pride and set those reminders. Stop expecting so much of yourself. Give yourself a break and find ways that help you to remember the 1,000,001 tasks you need to do every day. All right, tip number 3. Your laundry basket is not a dresser. Don't leave clothes in the basket. And no matter what anyone else tells you, laundry is not considered living room decor. Now, this kind of clutter can cause a ton of stress. Now, you may be like me and maybe you've convinced yourself that laundry room decor really isn't a big deal. You just toss it out of the way when you need to get to your stuff, and overall it's not really that stressful to you. You can relax amidst all of this clutter. But studies are showing that this can cause a ton of stress that you're not even aware of. Yeah, another stressful side effect of this is when your family asks where their clothes are.
Honey, where's my pants?
All right, ladies, tip number 4, be a lover, not a hater. A surefire way to reduce stress with chores or anything is to adopt an attitude of gratitude. Studies show that thankfulness greatly reduces our stress, our anxiety, and our depression. So ladies, if you are dwelling on how much you hate your laundry, you're going to, well, hate it. So instead of thinking of it as that never-ending chore, think of it as a blessing in disguise. You've been blessed with all of these garments that help clothe your family with comfort and warmth. And I bet you can even pinpoint everyone's favorite outfits. The ones that make me feel beautiful, the ones that make my son feel like a superhero, and my daughter feel like a princess, and even that one dingy t-shirt that makes my husband feel hip and confident. So when those negative thoughts creep in, just say, no, I am going to choose gratitude. But if you're really concerned about making that mountain of laundry smaller, please check out my link below. And finally, tip number 5, no TV while folding those delicates. Seriously, that's how a 5-minute job turns into an hour. Trust me, I should know. Yeah, that's why I have created the habit of trying to fold my laundry as I'm taking it out of the dryer and putting it away ASAP. This has greatly reduced my stress by not having my laundry laying all over my house, causing me anxiety. So I want to create a 21-day challenge for you ladies and for me to help create change that's going to form a healthy habit and reduce stress. Why? Because I am just here being real with you ladies, saying I'm not perfect. I don't have this whole thing called life figured out. I'm just trying to reduce unnecessary stress so that I can live life to the fullest and try and help others as I go along. So thank you for watching. Please comment below and let me know what causes you stress in your home. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up below and share with friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel so you can know when my next video is coming out. So this is Mama D saying stress less and live more.